Peace efforts and police operations. The latest from Marchpen Road. After 5 people, 3 of them children, are killed. We have a live report. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the school left in turmoil by the Marchpen Road murders.
Hanover remembers the tragic murder of 6 people.
Post-Matthew death toll in Haiti soars past 1,000.
Plus, the team assessing damage in the Bahamas provides an update.
And in the business day, the technology minister calls for Jamaicans to be careful online.
There's also a ray of hope, sports post commentary, as well as primetime weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you believe enough is being done to stem gang violence in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.